Welcome everyone. You will be led through a short trip on your learning tool, the Moodle. You will receive an email like this. It will contain your password and login and a place where you can hit to access the Moodle. First of all, make sure you pick English, Espanhol, Francês, Italiano, or Português. We'll keep our choice in English. Then you have to type your password and log in. Forget about all the information you see here first and go straight to the course choice, your course Organic Contaminants edition 2014. And now you reached the main page of your course. Okay, so at the main page you have this link here. Anytime that you want to go back to the main page, you just have to hit here. Okay. Now you have to go through this right hand side, this bar here, and go to My Profile Settings. And you're going to edit your profile. Make sure all the informations here are correct. Click to all the correct information. And don't forget to put a nice picture of you, so all your colleagues, this is not really nice, all your colleagues will be seeing you as a person, not just as a name. After you have all done, you just update your profile and you will be directed to the page of your profile. Okay, so now we, as I mentioned, go back to the main page. When you go back to the main page, next, you, again, on your settings, you will be asked to change your password. So you type the password that you were given, and then you type your new password and save your changes. After you changed your password, you're ready to go through the first look of your page. Okay, so we recommend that you listen our welcome message, read the foreword, and go through the guidelines to make sure you know what you're doing. Next, you have classes down here. You know, the classes are here. Classes are also called sections. Okay? So section 1, and I'll pick the section 4 for you to know how the course will be done. You will have these possibilities here. You have the first lecture, and then you have the title of the professor that's going to present that to you. In this case, Dr. Jim Barker. Next, you will see the content of the course. And then your lecture material. You have different lecture supporting material. First one, you have a link to the video conference. So when you have live sections, you just have to click here and you will be directed to the live conference. You will have the slide presentations here when in different sections, and you can use them to follow through the lectures as you watch them. You see, slides presentations are here. You can go through them. Another supporting material is the slides download. You can go have all the material on a single file, on a PDF file that you can print it out. And last but not the least, you have the supporting videos. Don't forget that your classes will be taught to you through videos first. You have to watch the video conference here, the live video conference, after watching the videos. This is a mandatory step of our course. So once you reach, you click here, you again will be directed to one of our courses. You just have to click and watch. That's very handy. Okay, so the last of the features that we have, sorry, not the last, now is the part of the assignments where you'll be working. So you have questions. These are written questions that you can read, and these are the questions that you have to answer through the Moodle. This is already answered, so I have no more ways of using, but the questions will be here and you can use them as you wish. Okay, you have them printed before, so you can use the material as I mentioned. Okay, then last thing, we'll have the forum. You'll be asked to pose questions to your friends. You see several questions, and you have to answer a few questions as well. So every time on every assignment, you'll be posing a question and answering a question of a friend. This will help you on an extra exercise. Go back to the section here. Okay. You'll be marked on your assignment. So you have to participate in the forums and you have to answer the questions properly. Remember, you have 5 alternatives, or 6, depends on the professor. And you have 3 possibilities to answer it properly. If it's wrong, you can go back and redo it twice, okay, until you get the right answer. Okay, that's an easy step to be done. After you've done that, you're ready to stop. Remember that for all this material, you will have a deadline, a clear deadline that will be mentioned on your Moodle session. You see, when you open your assignment, it will tell you when you have to finish that. Okay? So, as you learned on this quick tour, using the Moodle is not too complicated. And you can have some fun as you learn. So, thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy your course.